Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:58 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Lakewood Shores, or 8 miles east of Wilmington, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Park Forest, Bourbonnais, Frankfort, Steger, Flossmere, Manteno, Linwood, Glenwood, University Park, Olympia Fields, Peotown, Wilmington, South Holland, Homewood, Richmond Park, and Sauk Village. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 317 and 341. Interstate 94 between mile markers 73 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 73 and 74. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur.